to sing these songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever had, redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long must they kill our prophets till we stand aside and look? Some say that it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption song. Redemption song.
Bloody wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you.